Zapof Forms supports conversational style form or poll mode. The form asks each question on a separate page. Now, what if I want to put some related questions such as first name and last name on a single page? To do this, I need to add the questions or elements on a container, such as multi-columns, multi-tabs, or an expansion. I already have a conversational style form to gather feedback from parents about the summer camp for their children. I want the form asks the parent's first name, last name and email on a single page, and the child's first name and last name on another page. This form is a conversational form. Let's check the setting for this. Click the Title and Settings button on the left toolbar. The poll mode option is enabled. And the transition uses fade in and out. I also add a front page to the poll. Now, let's add the container to store some questions, so the poll asks them on the same page. The first group asks parents' first name, last name and email. I am going to put these questions in a multi-column container. Click the line break handle. It's a small circle at the end of the line break. I will add the multi-column container after this line break. Click the Add Question and Element button on the left toolbar. Search for multi-column and click the Add button. Click the Add a Column button on the container toolbar. Now, let's select the questions that ask parent details. To select multiple questions, press the Shift key and click the first element, parent name. While holding the Shift key, click the last element, email field. To move these questions, click the Cut button on the editor toolbar. Click the column handle, which is a thick horizontal line on the multi-column container. And click the Paste button on the editor toolbar. Now, let's repeat the same steps to put the child's first name and last name in a multi-column container. Click Publish. Now, let's test our conversational style form with multi-questions on a page. To start the survey, click the Start button. We can press the arrow right key to go to the next question or click the arrow right button. To move back, press the arrow left or click the arrow left button. Any error stops me from going further in the poll. For example, I cannot click the Next Page button or press the right arrow key until I answer the mandatory fields. Now, let's answer the poll. Now, click Submit.